Okay, after I've let this oil dry for an hour or so and then wiped it down again, I'm going to dampen my rag with a little bit of lacquer thinner. Now I'm just doing this to take off the oil that's gathered up in the little cracks and stuff. It's a little bit faster. Ordinarily you wouldn't do this as soon as I'm doing it, but in this case it really won't matter if you don't put too much. You don't want to slop lacquer thinner all over it. You just want your rag to be damp. So I'll give it a quick wipe. Yep, okay, that gets pretty much all of it off. There you go. That's basically what it'll look like. We're going to let this dry for a few minutes and then go to the final step of finishing, which is going to be to apply lacquer.